Now is your chance to purchase 69.10 plus or minus acres in Douglas County, Minnesota, selling on our unreserved online auction, July 13th. Bidding opens June 29th. This 69-acre hunting and recreational property is located just south of Alexandria, Minnesota. This is prime hunting property, abutting fish and wildlife state land, natural corridor among mature pines and irrigated farmland, rolling terrain, ponds, foot plot areas, shooting lanes among cleared trails, deer stands and box blinds, ready for your 2023 hunting and recreational enjoyment. The property does have a conservation easement with 3 acres set aside to build your hunting cabin or secluded private retreat. For more information, contact listing agent Michelle at 763-300-5055.